This is the Logitech Pebble, a mouse so small and silent that you wouldn't hear it clicking. And this is the Logitech K380, a keyboard so elegant, ergonomic and reliable to use. So is this the best wireless keyboard and mouse combo out there? Let's find out. So what's up guys, back to Ask X Rev TV, and today I got this wireless keyboard and mouse combo from Logitech. Well, I have been using this combo for about 6 months and the experience was mind-blowing. So this video is not sponsored or something. So I personally required a wireless keyboard and mouse combo for my PC as well as tablet. So just went upon Amazon and looked the different wireless keyboard and mouse combo and found out that Logitech had the best reviews and most of people bought it, so I just bought it. So this review will be divided into different chapters. You can click the different timestamps to view it. So now let's get into the unboxing. The Logitech K380 comes in this beautiful packaging. Right out of the box we get a user instruction, the keyboard itself, and the keyboard comes pre-installed with 2 AAA batteries. Now for the Pebble. It comes with the user documentation, the mouse itself, one AA battery, and a dongle. Both the K380 and Pebble comes with an astonishing build quality. The keyboard doesn't flex, and the mouse is made of high quality plastic to make it feel comfortable in the hand just like a Pebble. Both the mouse and keyboard are of matte finish, though there is a small glossy finish portion for the Pebble, making it susceptible to scratches. The base mouse feet pads is made of high quality Teflon, while the K380 comes with rubber feet for enhanced grip. Both comes with Bluetooth low energy technology to conserve battery on the long run, and the rated DPI for the Pebble is 1000 DPI. Both Logitech K380 and Pebble comes in a wide variety of colors. The K380 comes in blue, black, rose and off-white, while the Pebble comes in graphite, rose, off-white, blue and eucalyptus. So you can choose the right one that matches your theme. I chose the grey color to match my setup. The only thing that stands out are those 3 yellow buttons in the keyboard. Both the Pebble and the K380 is supported across various platforms, let it be Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux. It just works like a charm. The Logitech Pebble comes with a dongle, or you can connect directly without the hassle of connecting the dongle if your PC comes with inbuilt Bluetooth. In the case of Logitech K380, it does not come with a dongle, so you have to rely on inbuilt Bluetooth, or you have to buy an aftermarket dongle if your PC does not have an inbuilt Bluetooth. The K380 can be multi-connected to up to 3 devices with the help of the 3 yellow buttons. Switching between the devices is super fast. Look at how fast it connects between my iPad and the Windows PC during my typing test. The mouse can also be interconnected between two devices, like connecting it with the PC via dongle and the tablet phone via Bluetooth. The connection is very stable and the keyboard and the mouse enters low power mode when it's not in use. Both has a range of less than 10 meters. The K380 comes around 423 gram and Pebble around 100 gram, making it the perfect light combo for everyday typing and browsing. The thin profile of the keyboard makes it easy to carry around. The biggest thing I have to say is how silent the keyboard and the mouse are, making it the ideal choice for using them in a library, coffee shop, without making those annoying clicking sounds. Here is a test between the Logitech and the Cooler Master gaming mouse and keyboard. Now, about battery life. The claimed battery life of K380 is about 2 years, and that of Pebble is 1.5 years. And I'm sure it will go beyond that due to Bluetooth low energy technology. Now, about shortcuts. The Windows, iOS, Mac shortcuts work with this keyboard seamlessly. There is a lot of other shortcuts given on their website, for which I will be posting the link down in the description. For the pricing, the Logitech K380 cost around $35, which is roughly equal to Rs 3000 here in Amazon, and the Logitech Pebble cost around $25, which is roughly equal to Rs 2000. So, is this the best wireless keyboard and mouse combo out there? Yes, definitely it is one of the best wireless keyboard and mouse combo, which is modern, silent, minimalistic and elegant. The only con that I have is that the keyboard doesn't come with a height adjustment. There are a variety of wireless keyboard in the Logitech website, so that you can choose the right one according to your taste. I found out that the Logitech Pebble and K380 was the best wireless combo for everyday task and travel usage. So as a whole, I can conclude this mouse and keyboard in just 3 words: minimalistic, modern and silent. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and smash that notification button for my next content.